Hey, Mama. That's a pretty itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dotty thingy you wearing there. Hoo-ha! I know we have a drawing over here, but we need a new
Done.
one.
I made this yippee skippity for you.
Okay.
Yippity skippity.
Class time.
Single pull double throw relay.
Single pull double throw relay.
87. 87A. 87A we don't normally use. Okay? We're just using this for a switch. 86, and they're all labeled on the back. 85 and 30. Put this in.
Because we have those.
Yep, we're cheating because we have the plugs. Okay, so yellow is your 12 volt feed coming in to the relay. Red, we don't use. Black is going to go to ground. White is going to be your trigger.
Which would be our ignition.
That's your ignition trigger. And your blue is your heavy outgoing.
And that'll go to the...
Yep, that's going to go to your box.
To our fuse panel. That makes sense.
And this will give you 40 amps. This is good for up to 40
I'll
amps.
cut the red off.
The red has to go.
Yeah. No, that makes sense.
So you're good.
I just always forget.
There it is.
They always seem to lose my mind. And then I hear it, I'm like, oh yeah.
See, look, this is the board of knowledge.
Knowledge.
That is the dimensions for an Apex radio with the holster on it. And he said that we are the best upfitters he's had in the past 30 years.
30 years.
Because we take that little bit of extra and go with it. This is for Southeast Ambulance, Southeast Regional Ambulance Service. They just got this ambulance back from its builder. It is brand new. We're installing a VHF radio in the back, and we are installing a VHF and UHF in the console. Doing a couple other things. They would like an additional wheel and siren put in it, so we put a speaker underneath the front bumper. Gonna cut a hole in the console for that fun stuff. So I'll have two different sirens because this actually has a Pathfinder 400Q for an electronic Q siren, which every fireman loves. Well, most firemen love. We're gonna go that route with this, and we got a whole bunch more if you look around yourself here. And this one here's for a climber. We're doing a little bit of upfitting. Used car, very solid. Already had the cage in it and everything. We're putting a cradle point, straightening out some of the lighting for the customer, trying to think, a gun rack, some stuff for the console, just little things here and there for that customer. We have two identical units for Beaver Falls. They are going to be full upfits with license plate readers, the whole gamut. That's what the trays are for. I don't know if you did some B-roll. Always doing fun stuff. That's for a sheriff's unit, unmarked sheriff's unit. Pretty cool looking. Because this big box is actually not even, this is for the cameras. We don't even touch this. All we do is connect up into this. That's for the camera system. Pizza. Stuffed crust. Parmesan.
Parmesan.
That's what we live on. Pizza and dreams. Come on, let's go on a wholesome adventure. These are always fun. Wait, I gotta do it like the true professional. You gotta start it in reverse first, then go forward. Let's walk into an ambulance. Come on, let's go on a little field trip here. You hope this is what you never want to see as the back end of an ambulance. But what we're doing is taking the wires, soldering on the NMO connectors, drilling a hole through the roof, and then putting the antennas through. We also installed a cradle point system that's down in the lower tray. That's really tough to see, but we ran the antenna up through the roof. You may or may not know, ambulances have a lot of foam in them, just like your house. You can actually see a little bit of it right there. It's really thick foam to keep everything insulated. So they can either keep the back of the ambulance quite cool or quite warm. And they actually have their own heating system for in the back. So it's pretty cool. Hopefully you never have to see this end of an ambulance, but that's what we're doing. Putting some radios in and having a blast. And that head will get mounted right there over a plate. The wheels of the stretcher and the arms of the stretcher will go right about here. So if that's down, the stretcher won't make it to here. So you just give it a little flip up and away you go. See, you're learning. And there's like little hatchways too. Like if you open that door, these little hatchways.